YouTube channel. Today, gagawa po tayo ng origami na flower at butterfly. So, ang kailangan po natin, scissors, tape, colored paper o plain lang po. And then markers, any options po na colored paper. So, let's begin! To start, gagawa po tayo ng colored paper. Any colored po. Any choice of paper you want. Basta lang po, it can be useful. To start with, I need to fold this in half of triangle. Already did this, and this is the finished product. These are the butterfly origami that I made. So, I made the flower, the butterfly, and the frog. Well, one frog, of course. For watching, I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and hit that notification bell, subscribe button, and don't forget to follow me in other social media, in Facebook, Instagram, and also my TikTok. Bye.
Project in?
No need.
No need.